You're tired, man unseen. You don't think life comes in between. But hey, she's just 17. She feels like she's a worldly girl, but man, you've been around the world. She's just some worried daddy's girl. Even though there's nothing I can say to cheat you and nature anyway, let her down easy. Her heart is on a dime. Let her down easy, and she'll grow up in time. In her strawberry eyes, the way she sees you signifies that she's susceptible to your velvet lies. But if you must lay it down, may your butterscotch glow be her dressing gown. Please do not lead her on when you leave town. Even though there's nothing I can say to cheat you and nature anyway, let her down easy. Her heart is on the line. Let her down easy, and you'll grow up in time. She's a woman now, with a daughter to make her proud, in her crayon world of paper clouds. She still remembers you, the first boy that she gave it to, and she laughs at how little then she knew. Even though there's nothing I can say to cheat you and nature anyway, let her down easy. Her heart is on a dime. Let her down easy, and she'll grow up in time. Whoa, in time.
What should I write? What can I say? How can I tell you how much I miss you? The weather here has been as nice as it can be, although it doesn't really matter much to me. I don't need sunny skies for things I have to do, 'cause I stay home the whole day long and think of you. As far as I'm concerned, each day's a rainy day, so it might as well rain until September. My friends summer.